Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can connect Google Ads with N8N. So, without further ado, let's begin. First step is to log in to your N8N account, and once logged in, go to Personal on the left panel and click on the workflow that you add Google Ads on. Now, we are going to add first step, and on the search nodes, we are going to search for Google Ads. Then, the first thing that we need to do is to click on a schedule trigger, and then we're going to set the trigger interval, whether it's seconds, minutes, hours, days, and then we are going to set the minutes or seconds between triggers. And then we're going to go back to our canvas, and then the next thing that we need to do is to click on this icon here, and then click on Open. And then we're going to add a credential on Google Ads, and then we're going to choose our resource, operation, and fill up the manager customer ID, client customer ID, and the other details needed for us to start. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!